Hi, everybody, and welcome to my submission presentation for the Google I/O Extended Hackathon Central Florida. My project's name is AI Quotes. Before we dive into the project, let me introduce myself. My name is Javi, a member of GDG Central Florida. Being part of this group is great because I get to learn and connect with passionate techs like you. By the way, GDG Central Florida is open to everybody. You don't need to be a developer to join. We value all your experiences and perspective. On another note, I work for Design Interactive in Orlando as a software engineer, where I focus on web development and XR solutions. So let's stay connected and keep in touch and keep spreading the love. Again, welcome to my project presentation for the Google I/O Extended Hackathon. My project's name is AI Quotes. I know it's not very original, but it's a small and simple project, a labor of Flutter love. This app was developed with Flutter using the project IDX from Google, and I'm happy to present a fully functional Android app. It's also going to be available to download from the Google Play Store soon. I'm also developing a web platform that will be available in the future. So why quotes? I am a big fan of collecting quotes. A quote is like a bite-sized nugget of wisdom, often served with a side of who said that trivia. The problem. I have this problem, and most of you have is as well. Quotes are often all over different area, different places, notes, emails, social media. Finding that perfect quote can be a real hassle, and finding new and relevant quotes can be time consuming. AI quotes is designed for quotes fans like myself, people who use these quotes for inspiration, communication, or creativity. It is also great for writers and communicators who use this quote to enhance their writing and speaking. So, what's the solution? AI quotes, of course. This app offers a central hub for all your quotes needs. The homepage features a beautiful background of Apple Park Visitor Center, where there's a science cultural area named Mirage. Our team, the GDD team, visited this place while attending Google I/O this past spring. As you can see by the app, the floating action button gives you several options: add quotes, random quotes, AI quotes, favorite list, and quotes list. Let me tell you a little bit more about it. For random quotes, AI uses SendQuotesIO, a simple API to fetch quotes with images from influential figures. The API key is secure by using a runtime environment variable. For AI quotes, I use Gemini Flash. The app connects to a Firebase function I created called Generate AI Quotes. This Firebase function creates, retrieves, and sends quotes to the app. The AI quote generator function is an API endpoint that generates unique AI powered quotes based on a given category. Using Firebase function and the Gemini AI Flash using the 1.5 model, you generate the quote by entering a category. The function produces a fresh and unique quote that does not imitate any existing author or quotes out there. And it is based on a category that the user entered. It includes a unique image indicating it was generated by Gemini. The Firebase function also keeps your Gemini key secure. The app was developed using Project IDX, which is a web-based assistant IDE from Google. The backend the backend is powered by Firebase service, using Cloud Firestore, providing CRUD operations like create, read, update, and delete for the quotes. I'll also use Flutter provider package for state management. I also practice clean code and best practices throughout the project. So let me go ahead and show you a demo of the app. So this is running an emulator. Don't have a phone attached to this. So this is the AI code. So I'm going to open it. So you can see it gives you a splash screen, and here's the app itself. So here's the flooding button that gives you the add random AI quotes and favorite quotes and quotes list. The add quotes lets you enter a quote that you happen to hear around, so you can put it here. And you can put it auto wherever you like or wherever you heard that from. Then click and gives you a preview of the quote. So if you like this quote and you want to enter into the system, you click on the plus button right there. Other than that, if you don't like that quote, you can go ahead and generate add another quote or generate a random quote. So you generated this one. If you don't know, do not get any shields when you set your goals. You are not setting big enough goals. If you click on the plus button, it's going to add it to the list. And that, if I want to go back and generate the AI quote, one that is uniquely generated, that is not available out there, you can click this, put a category. Let's put in, let's see, put hackathon, see what happens. And it went ahead and created a unique quote that is not available. So a hackathon is a crucible of creativity where ideas are forged in fire and so on. If you like this code, you can go ahead and add it. It takes you back to the lesson. You can see the quote is right there with a unique image indicating that there's an AI code. Other than that, the other randomly generated quotes puts an image of the authors, which you can see right there. The quotes that I enter manually will have a different image for that. If you like any of these quotes, you can uh, you can go ahead and click on the heart to add them into your favorites. If you like this one right here, you can click on this. Bob Proctor, I'm not sure if he's a writer, but you can put the occupation if you like. Oops. If you made a mistake like I did there, you can just go ahead and fix it. If you don't like any of these quotes, you can go ahead and delete it by clicking here. And that you can go back and look at your favorite quotes by clicking in here. If any of these favorite quotes you don't like anymore to be favorite, just click on the heart, which is going to take it away, put it back on the quotes list, which you can go ahead and delete it or add it again to the favorite list. Pretty simple. Pretty much that's how it is. Other than that, the future work that I got planned for this, looking ahead, there are several features I'm excited to add. I'm going to add dynamic background based on the authors or category. When you're adding a quote, it's going to do a grammar check for other quotes using the Gemini API. So it will check your grammar and your spelling too. I will create a custom API for curated quotes, so that way I will have control all the quotes that are stored into the backend with the images and so on. Also going to enhance the AI quote generation with entering moods. Like you say, if your person feels happy or depressed, they can put that stuff and will generate quote. Also, is going to generate quotes based on the author. So if you have a favorite author and you want the AI to look for that particular quote, it will do that for you. Also, going to try to add organization features in it, like search, tags, things of that nature, to make it better for you to find the quotes and also to organize the quotes. I'm going to put organization features in it. Also going to have social media. Obviously, you want to share these quotes uh, with the world out there or add them to your writing. I'm going to try to add those in the future. And also, I'm going to add voice activated search, just in case you don't feel like typing. It will do that. Other than that, thank you. Thank you for checking out my AI course. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to reach out. Uh, I added the GitHub repos right here for you to check out. If you'd like to connect with me, here's my contact information. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. And thank you.